when current flows when current flows through resistor when current flows through resistor, there is a work transfer into the system into the system into the system as current can drive as current can drive a motor comma motor can drive a pulley raising the weight or the rotational motion can be transferred if E is potential difference and I is current then rate of work done is given by the formula integration 1:2 EI dt Next, shaft work. Now, if you will concentrate towards this particular shaft, and here the figure is given that there is a motor and shaft is attached to that motor. अगर आप concentrate करके इस सिस्टम में देखें तो आपको एक बात नजर आएगी कि यहां शाफ्ट अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करता है. There is a no displacement of the shaft because shaft is remain stationary at that particular position only. But I want to tell you there is a no linear displacement. लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट वहां नहीं होता है. तो वहां कैसे डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है? रोटेशनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है. यानी कि आपका शाफ्ट एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं हिलता है, लेकिन वहां वो अपने खुद के एक्सिस के आजू इर्द गिर्द घूमता रहता है. ओके, मे बी इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन और इनटू एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. And when you are going to associate this particular shaft to another shaft, then that particular motion is going to be transferred. That rotational displacement is going to take place. Okay. So here in the shaft work, this rotational displacement is taken into consideration. पहले हमारा जो वर्क था पीडीवी, उसमें हमने कौन सा डिस्प्लेसमेंट कंसिडर किया था? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल? Exactly. Linear displacement we have considered in a PDV work. पिस्टन आगे पीछे एक लाइन में घूमता रहता, रोटेट होता था. नो, नॉट रोटेट, it was reciprocating in a one line only. But here shaft is in rotational motion, and continuously that rotations are taken place either in clockwise direction or into anti-clockwise direction. Okay, means when shaft is going to be rotated, then also there is a work done. Okay, now that rate of this particular work done is calculated by the formula 2 pi nt by 60. 2 pi by 60 is constant. Okay, 2 pi is the constant, 60 is also constant, because we have considered this particular rotation per second. Okay, and that's why in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, and that's why we have divided this particular quantity by 60. Now 2 pi nt by 60 in this formula, 2 pi by 60 is constant. 60 for the time constant, 2 pi is a mathematical constant, n is nothing but rotations per minute. Okay, तो ये जो रोटेशंस है n आपके, ये रोटेशन पर मिनट है, उनको पर सेकंड में कंसिडर करने के लिए, उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 60 सेकंड से यहां डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, इज इट अंडरस्टूड बाय यू व्हाई वी हैव डिवाइडेड इट विद द 60? बिकॉज rotations per minute are provided as a capital N, and this this torque, okay, this torque is applied in Newton meter. Okay, torque means what? Torque is nothing but the rotational force. Okay, रोटेशन के लिए जो फोर्स अत्यावश्यक होता है उसे हम टॉर्क कहते हैं. And this particular formula we are using when we are going to study the torsion in analysis of mechanical element. Okay, that is the next subject for second year, especially mechanical and civil engineering guys are going to study this subject and this particular torsion separately. So this rate of work done is provided by the formula 2 pi nt by 60. Okay, 2 pi has no unit, 60 is a seconds, so that's why s is there in a denominator, and in numerator this n is rotations per minute. Okay, so it has also no any unit, and your torque is calculated in a Newton meter. So that's why the formula is Newton meter per second. That is nothing but, Newton meter is nothing but the joule, so it is joule per second, and that joule per second is known as watt. Okay, if your torque is in kilonewton meter, then the unit of your rate of work done will be kilonewton meter per second, and that will be considered as kilojoule. That kilojoule per second, and kilojoule per second is nothing but kilowatt. Understand? So this is the shaft work. In shaft work, rotational displacement we are going to consider. Okay, so give the heading shaft work. Shaft work. Shaft work. Shaft work. When shaft is rotated in the system, when shaft is rotated in the system, when shaft is rotated in a system, then there is a work transfer. There is a work transfer. Then there is a work transfer. Rate of work done rate of work done is equal to 2 pi nt by 60, 2 pi nt by 60, 2 pi nt by 60, 2 pi nt by 60 in bracket Newton meter per second, Newton meter per second, Newton meter per second, Newton meter per second or watt or watt or watt, where capital N is in RPM, RPM is revolution per minute, RPM means revolution per minute, and capital T is torque applied, capital T is torque applied in Newton meter, in Newton meter. Next, paddle will work, paddle will work, paddle will work. Now concentrate on this particular figure. Okay, in this figure consider a system which is consist of a fluid. तो ये जो सिस्टम है, इस सिस्टम में यहां क्या रखा हुआ है? फ्लूइड रखा हुआ है, फ्लूइड, इट इज फ्लूइड. ओके, द पैडल व्हील अरेंजमेंट is made over here where there is a weight and pulley is attached to it. Now when you will lower this particular pulley, ये जो पुली है इसका जो वेट है, ये जो वेट जब आप डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन की तरफ ले जाएंगे तब आपकी पुली घूमेगी. ओके, and when your pulley is going to be rotated, then the rod and this particular paddle wheel attached to that particular rod is also going to be rotated. और जब ये व्हील आपके फ्लूइड के अंदर घूमेगा, या जब व्हील फ्लूइड के अंदर घूमेगा तो क्या होगा? See, this particular fluid, it is kept in closed system. ये जो फ्लूइड है ये कैसे रखा है? क्लोज्ड सिस्टम में रखा है, because it is restricted by the boundary. This particular fluid is restricted by the boundary. So when weight is lowered, pulley will start rotating, therefore steering action is going to be taken, steering action is going to be happen. Now the volume of this system is not going to change because system is going to be closed. वॉल्यूम बदलेगा क्या? नहीं बदलेगा, जितना फ्लूइड अंदर होगा उतना ही फ्लूइड अंदर होगा. वॉल्यूम इज नॉट एट ऑल गोइंग टू चेंज. सो dv, as volume is not changing over here, dv is going to be 0. यहाँ dv आपका कितना हो गया? 0 हो गया. Suppose the work done in this particular system is integration of pdv बिकॉज जब आप स्टीयरिंग एक्शन करेंगे तो कुछ तो प्रेशर उसका जनरेट होगा, प्रेशर थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा, लेकिन प्रेशर कांस्टेंट रहेगा, लेकिन वॉल्यूम कुछ कुछ तो चेंज होगा। लेकिन यहां सिस्टम क्लोज होने की वजह से वॉल्यूम भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा है। सो दिस dv इज इक्वल टू 0, एंड व्हेन you will multiply anything with the constant term with 0, then total your multiplication will come 0. So p dv integration is equal to 0 is your answer as far as this parallel work is going to be considered. So I want to tell you one important thing to you, that if you are going to consider total system, here volume is not going to change, pressure is going to remain constant, and as volume is not going to be changed, dv is equal to 0, and though we are steering the fluid, हम फ्लूइड को स्टीर कर रहे हैं, but there is a no change in the volume and pressure is a constant, then the total work done in the case of paddle wheel work is equal to 0. That particular thing you will have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is the paddle wheel work. I request you, please write down the thing, paddle wheel work, paddle wheel work, paddle wheel work. As weight is lower, as weight is lowered, as weight is lowered, as weight is lowered down, paddle wheel turns and there is work transfer, and there is work transfer, and there is work transfer into the fluid system, into the fluid system. Which steers the fluid, steers the fluid. It means work is done on the system, work is done on the system, work is done on the system. dv is equal to 0, dv is equal to 0, as there is as there is no change in the volume, as there is no change in the volume, then integration of pdv is equal to 0, is equal to 0, but dw is not equal to 0, is dw is not equal to 0, dw is not equal to 0. Next is flow work of flowing fluid, flow work of flowing fluid, flow work of flowing fluid, flow work of flowing fluid. What do you mean by flow work और flow energy? ये flow work या flow energy क्या होती है? So the energy is required to push a matter or the mass into the or out of the control volume. It is known as the flow work. What it means कि अगर आपके पास कुछ मास है, कुछ मैटर है, मे बी सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस, ओके, सो उसको आपको पुश करना है, उसको आपको एक जगह से दूसरे जगह डिस्प्लेस करना है, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम विल बी कंट्रोल्ड और नॉट कंट्रोल्ड. कंट्रोल्ड मीन्स अगर आपने क्लोज्ड वेसल में उसको लिया, देन इट विल बी कंट्रोल्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, injection of your doctor, okay, so that particular flowing of the fluid is in controlled manner due to the vacuum, okay. वो जो डॉक्टर हैं, वो जो फ्लूइड इंजेक्शन में लेते हैं, वो कंट्रोल्ड वॉल्यूम में होता है, क्योंकि वहां लगा हुआ है 1 ml, 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml, 4 ml, 5 ml और 10 ml, और जितना उनको चाहिए उतना फ्लूइड वो ले लेते हैं अंदर, और उस इंजेक्शन में जो मार्किंग लगी हुई रहती है उतना फ्लूइड उस इंजेक्शन में रहता है. दैट मे बी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ml, whatever the dose is required for the patient. So that is the controlled volume. And what is the not controlled volume or out of control volume? Out of control volume means if you will throw a bucket of water to the open atmosphere, अगर bucket of water आपने लिया और वो थ्रो कर दिया, या पाइप से पानी जो है वो सब जगह फैला रहे हो, तो that is sometime out of control, okay, क्योंकि जो वॉल्यूम है वो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड नहीं है, हम कितना भी पानी वहां थ्रो कर रहे हैं, okay. So the flow energy or flow work is required there for the displacement of that mass. I have just talking about the liquid, but it is true in kind of the pressure also, okay. जो ब्लोअर रहता है, वो ब्लोअर का जो प्रेशर है वो भी कभी कभी हमको कंट्रोल करने पड़ता है. अगर आपने ज्यादा उसको कंट्रोल नहीं किया और ब्लोअर फुल प्रेशर पे चला दिया, तो क्या होगा कि कभी कभी चीजें उड़ के आजू बाजू बिखर जाती हैं, और अगर आपको कंट्रोल्ड वो चाहिए तो दैट इज द कंट्रोल्ड वॉल्यूम. तो एयर हो या लिक्विड हो या सॉलिड हो, वो कंट्रोल या आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल फॉर्म में अगर आपको उसे पुश करना है, उसे डिस्प्लेस करना है, तो दिस पर्टिकुलर कंसेप्ट इज कंसिडर्ड, ओके. लेट अस कंसिडर दैट दिस इज द क्लोज्ड सिस्टम, ओके. The system which we have taken into consideration, that particular system is closed system. ये जो सिस्टम है, ये पूरी की पूरी सिस्टम जो है ये क्लोज्ड सिस्टम है, ओके. ये CV ऐसे उसको डिनोट किया है. In this particular closed system, the fluid is entering in the system from this top side, okay. ये जो टॉप साइड है, यहां से आपका जो फ्लूइड है वो एंटर हो रहा है, और ये जो बॉटम साइड है यहां से ये फ्लूइड बाहर जा रहा है, ओके. एंड एज इट इज इन अ क्लोज्ड सिस्टम, ये जो सारा फ्लूइड है ये क्लोज्ड सिस्टम में है, तो ये सब जो फ्लो वर्क हो रहा है, ये फ्लो वर्क इट इज इन अ कंट्रोल्ड वॉल्यूम, ओके. Now consider that this particular P is fluid pressure. ये जो आप फ्लूइड अंदर ला रहे हो, इस क्लोज्ड वॉल्यूम में यहां सब जगह फ्लूइड भरा हुआ है, यहां सब जगह फ्लूइड भरा हुआ है ऑलरेडी, और फिर भी आप यहां क्या कर रहे हो, फ्लूइड अंदर ला रहे हो। ओके, यू आर ब्रिंगिंग फ्लूइड इनसाइड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम। तो उस फ्लूइड का जो प्रेशर है वो प्रेशर न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर है। देन यहां इस फ्लूइड का जो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम है वो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम मीटर क्यूब पर केजी में है। अभी वॉल्यूम और स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम में डिफरेंस क्या है कि सिंपल वॉल्यूम इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल लेटर V and it is in only meter cube, and when you are going to divide that particular ordinary volume by mass, then it will convert into specific volume. So, and that specific volume is denoted by small v, and small v is your specific volume. Then F is a force applied by this imaginary piston. हमने क्या किया है, फ्लूइड का जो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम का जो फ्लूइड है, जिसका फ्लूइड प्रेशर P है, उस पे हमने एक इमेजिनरी पिस्टन अप्लाई कर दिया। ओके, एंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस इनलेट is capital A. This is the area. Okay, the flow work will be given. Work is nothing but force into displacement, F into L. Okay, then this F into L into A divided by A. हमने क्या किया, यहां फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, उसको एरिया से मल्टीप्लाई भी किया और एरिया से उसको डिवाइड भी किया। यानी कि जब आप मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड एक ही टर्म से करते हो तो एक्चुअली उसका कुछ इंपैक्ट नहीं होता है। अगर मैंने 2 + 3 ओके इज क्या होता है कि 5 होता है, और उस 5 में उस 5 को अगर मैंने वंस अगेन 1/1 से डिवाइड कर दिया तो आंसर मेरा क्या आ जाएगा, 5 आ जाएगा। डिवाइड नहीं, मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, 5 आ जाएगा। 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1। ओके, बिकॉज 1/1 is ultimately is going to be 1. Similarly 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10/10 भी आपने किया तो भी आंसर 5 ही आ जाएगा, बिकॉज 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 0। मीन्स आपने सेम टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइडिंग एक ही टाइम कर दी तो उसका कुछ इंपैक्ट होता नहीं है। सपोज वी हैव डन दिस ऑपरेशन सिमिलरली ओवर हियर, देन द एरिया और A from the denominator I can take to the F. this ये जो एरिया है डिनोमिनेटर में का, वो एरिया मैं कहा ले लेता हूं, फोर्स को उस एरिया से डिवाइड करता हूं। आई डिवाइड दिस फोर्स बाय A in the denominator, area from the denominator, and I will multiply this particular next A which is in a numerator, I will multiply it with the L. Okay, so this F divided by A is nothing but my pressure, because pressure is in Newton per meter square, force is in Newton and area is in meter square. Similarly, this L is nothing but my displacement, which will be in a meter or millimeter, and this A is nothing but the area. Okay, so this will provide me the specific volume. Okay, so this particular term, the PV, is called as the flow work done. यानी कि क्या होगा इस फ्लो वर्क डन में, मैं जितने प्रेशर से ऊपर का जो पिस्टन है वो अप्लाई करूंगा उतना ही डिस्प्लेसमेंट मुझे नीचे के पिस्टन में दिखाई देगा। ओके, सो दिस इज नोन एज अ योर फ्लो वर्क। ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग you need to take into consideration when system is closed and there is a flow work, then this particular flow work is given by work, that flow work done is given by P into V. Understand? So that particular part you need to just give the heading. Point number 5, flow work of flowing fluid. Flow work of flowing fluid. Flow work of flowing fluid. P is equal to fluid pressure. P is equal to fluid pressure. P is equal to fluid pressure. V specific volume. V specific volume. V specific volume. F force applied. F force applied. A area of cross section of fluid. Area of cross section of fluid. W flow is equal to W flow is equal to F into L. F into L. F into L. Below write down. F is but F is equal to F is equal to P into A. But F is equal to P into A. F is equal to P into A. So W flow is equal to, so W flow is equal to, W flow is equal to, W flow is equal to P into A into L. P into A into L. P into A into L. But A into L, but A into L, but A into L, A into L is nothing but is nothing but is nothing but is nothing but the volume, nothing but the volume so W flow, so W flow is equal to P into V. P into V. P into V. So today we have learned the 5 types of the work done. First one is your PDV work, okay, where the displacement is linear. Second is the electrical work, where the current displacement is happening. Third one is the shaft work, when shaft is rotating, so rotational displacement we have taken into consideration. Then fourth one is a paddle wheel work, where PDV, that paddle wheel work, is equal to 0, because in a closed system we are going to steer it. And fifth one is the flow work, which is provided by the formula P into V. Okay, so these 5 types of the work are important as far as basic mechanical engineering is going to be concerned. There is one another work also which is known by the name of pre-expansion. Pre-expansion, it means we are going to take an insulated box which is divided into the several components, and that all components are having frictionless partition. There is no friction, smoothly they can move, the partition can be moved. यानी कि एक हम कंटेनर लेके उसमें डिफरेंट सेक्शन जनरेट करेंगे, लेकिन उसका जो पार्टीशन होगा, दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्टीशन इज इजीली मूवेबल. ओके, ज्यादा उसको फोर्स लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So consider that V is the initial volume of the gas, and if you are going to remove the partition one by one, तो क्या होगा, वो गैस जो पहले कंटेनर में है, अगर आपने पार्टीशन रिमूव कर दिया तो वो सेकंड कंटेनर में भी चला जाएगा. अगर सेकंड कंटेनर का पार्टीशन रिमूव कर दिया, देन इट विल गो इन अ थर्ड कंटेनर. मींस gas is going to be expanded. Okay, that certain volume is going to be expanded, pressure is going to be released. Okay, and such kind of the work will be considered as a pre-expansion work. Okay, the next concept is about the heat definition, and that what is the heat, what is the sign convention of the heat, what are the units of heat, that all part we have studied already. The similarities between heat and work and its differences, this part also we have discussed in the previous lecture, and I have given the list of the similarities and the differences. Okay, then we are going to move towards the first law of thermodynamics. Okay, this first law of thermodynamics is very much important, because the thermodynamics itself begin with this first law of thermodynamics. What is the first law of thermodynamics? We are going to see in the next lecture. Okay, there is a break for you of the 10 minutes, and sharp at 11 a.m. your next lecture will start. Thank you very much for attending this lecture. Okay, so here I observed that 61 students are attending this lecture. Okay, so I will take the attendance of our class. I will consider it in a that attendance from the next lecture. Okay, so you will have to attend the lecture at 11 a.m. also, and there I will consider the attendance. So everybody who are attending this class, you will have to once again come back after the break.